Hello everyone, I am Avika working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Plaza, Karnal. Today we are going to discuss about acid-base titrations. So what are acid-base titration? Acid-base titrations are also known as neutralization titration. Why they are called as neutralization titration? Neutralization means an acid react with a base and base neutralizes acid and acid neutralize base. So these are called neutralization titrations. Concept of acid-base titration is given by some theories. These theories are given by, first one is Arrhenius acid-base theory. So what he suggested that an acid is a substance which gives hydrogen ions, when dissolved in water. So let us consider acid which gives hydrogen ions when hydrolyzed in water. These hydrogen ions then react with the solvent. H plus ions react with the solvent and form hydronium ions. These ion forms hydronium ions, that is H3O positive. And he suggested that base is a substance which gives hydroxyl ions. Hydroxyl ions means OH negative ions when we dissolve it in water. That is base is a substance which gives us hydroxyl ions. These are the hydroxyl ions. So this is the Arrhenius acid-base theory. Next one is our Bronsted-Lowry proton theory. Bronsted suggested that, as the name indicates, Bronsted-Lowry proton theory is based on protons. So Bronsted states that acids are the substances which can donate protons, and base is a substance which can accept protons. Acid will donate positive ions and base will accept that positive ions. And the concept is an acid will not donate protons until or unless there is a base which is present to accept the protons. And the third one is Lewis electron theory. Lewis suggested that an acid is a substance which can accept protons. An acid is a substance which can donate electrons, and a base is a substance which can accept electrons. Acid will donate electrons and the base will accept that electrons. There will be conjugate acid-base pairs. Acid will donate and base will accept electrons, negative charges, electrons from the acid. So these were the theories which were brought forward by some scientists for the acid-base titrations. Thank you and have a nice day.